Many companies are trying to adopt generative AI to increase their productivity, but they often find themselves building LLM-based applications from scratch, coding everything, APIs, infrastructure, and dashboards, and then they end up overwhelmed when they try to move from small-scale pilot to a production-grade project. Kosmoy changes that. Now, businesses can focus on what truly adds value, whether crafting the perfect prompts or writing custom code for unique company-specific use cases, using Kosmoy's platform as a toolbox to accelerate their GenAI adoption journey. Kosmoy offers templates for common and proven use cases for GenAI, automating customer support, improving workforce productivity, expediting compliance, or evaluating employees' engagement. You can build these applications without coding, or easily add your own code when you need something specific in terms of business logic or connectors to your IT infrastructure. Kosmoy also provides you with a sophisticated monitoring dashboard to keep track of the performance of all your GenAI applications. You'll have constant situational awareness on fees and costs associated with each LLM provider and on the feedback each application is receiving from its users. Plus, you'll get notified if the Kosmoy guardrails detect any unsafe behavior. Kosmoy takes governance seriously. Enable guardrails to filter unsafe or toxic content, detect LLM hallucinations, and block sensitive data like personally identifiable information. Kosmoy guardrails also protect against malicious attacks such as prompt injection, keeping your AI and your users safe. With pre-built integrations, Kosmoy connects your preferred large language models directly to your existing IT platforms. This allows you to scale with minimal effort while keeping all your GenAI applications LLM agnostic and avoiding vendor lock-in. Ready to unlock the power of generative AI without reinventing the wheel? Get started with Kosmoy today, your all-in-one platform for building smarter, faster, and safer AI applications that are production-ready from day one.